The rise of artificial intelligence. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Invest in AI companies. Investing in AI companies can be a potentially profitable way to take advantage of the opportunities presented by the AI revolution. As AI technologies continue to evolve and expand, many companies are investing in research and development to create innovative new products and services. By investing in these companies, individuals can potentially reap significant returns as their stock prices increase. However, it's important to approach AI investments with caution. Investing in individual stocks can be risky, as companies may experience volatility in the stock market or face unforeseen challenges in their business. AI-based business. Starting an AI-based business is a great way to leverage the power of artificial intelligence technology to create new opportunities and solve complex problems. This kind of business can be started in several ways, including developing AI-based products or services or building software tools that help businesses integrate AI technology into their operations. To start an AI-based business, you need to identify a problem or opportunity that can be solved by AI. Conduct market research to determine if there is demand for your solution, and develop your product or service. Create content or tools for AI. Creating content or tools for AI is a great way to take advantage of the opportunities presented by the AI revolution. As more companies and individuals adopt AI technology, there is a growing demand for content and tools that help them understand and use AI. There are several ways to create content or tools for AI, including developing online courses or tutorials, creating educational videos, building software tools that help users implement AI technology, or writing blog posts or articles that explain how to use AI in different contexts. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.